noise. Never thought that I would welcome the sound of it in all my 50 years and plus of living. I never thought that I would welcome the sound of it again. But it's the things that you take for granted, like hearing loud cars going up and down the street, and like going off to visit, like the cars are going off to visit or to meet someone, or being able to run to the store and buy whatever you want. And now having to stay put until we are told otherwise. But if you're a believer in God, well then that's one good thing about this thing, is if you homeschool children, you're allowed to end up bringing Jesus back into the schools again, because you can spend as much time as you want talking about Jesus to your children, and you can make sure that your children get that learning of who he is, or who he was, and who he is, and why he died on the cross for us, and stuff, like, instead of that being not part of their lives anymore and stuff. You can have that in there. So that's a bonus of this virus. I know we don't have very many bonuses, but that's one. And spending time what's wrong with your eye? You're not awake yet? Hmm? That opened it up, whatever that was. Or whatever you thought it was, anyways. People are going to think all you do is clean. Well, I mean, it is all you do is clean. Clean, 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 clean yourself. You're not even dirty. You just woke up. How can you possibly be dirty? And you cleaned before you went to sleep. Silly. And you get to spend time with your significant other if you have one. And you actually get to talk to them. Because with these sports being canceled and stuff like that, they have nothing else to do. They can't watch the sports on TV, so they have to sort of watch, or not watch, but spend time talking to you. It could, I mean, mine tries to fake that he's asleep, but I know he's awake. So I just talk anyways. Yeah. Or I send him over to wake him up. Anyways, I better go in 6 minutes. So I'll see you on the flip side, okay? Okay. You take care.